Unplug the unit and use a 5/16 inch open-end wrench or socket to remove the 3 screws which hold the exhaust outlet cover plate to the back panel of the unit. Loosen the 4 screws which hold the back panel to the unit. Once these screws are loosened, the back panel can be lifted up and out of its slots. Be sure the hopper is empty before beginning. Disconnect the wiring harness where it connects to the auger motor. Loosen the 2 Allen screws on either side of the cast iron collar with a 1/8 inch Allen wrench. Slide the auger motor assembly out of the feed tube and remove from the stove. If you ever need to remove the auger itself, it can be removed at this time. Loosen and remove the 4 bolts which hold the cast iron mounting collar to the auger motor using a 5/16 inch socket wrench. Install the new auger motor, part number CU-047042, in place of the old non-functioning unit. Reverse the process to reassemble. Slide the auger back into the feed tube. Slide the auger motor assembly all the way onto the feed tube and tighten the 2 Allen screws on the cast iron mounting collar using a 1/8 inch Allen wrench. Then recouple the auger to the coupler on the motor shaft. Reattach the wiring harness to the auger motor. Remember, the wires are not polarity specific, so it does not matter which wire goes to which terminal. Reinstall the back panel and exhaust outlet cover plate.